This is 50 sticker packs, and a sticker pack does 8 bananas, and that means this is 1 million Colombian pesos of bananas here that I've got to sell. We'll see how they do. As you can see, this is a serious monkey business, and we're gonna make some money. Do the math. It's this simple. 8 for 20,000. Do the math, get paid to save the world. Let's see if I have another business one here. Money Monkeys, banana business. Done deal. Now let's play. That's what he says. Alright, that's where I'm at right now. Got those stickers cut up and packaged, and we'll see how it goes.